What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Good afternoon, JV, back again. So I never really have done Spanish rice, so to say, and I guess we're not gonna do Spanish rice. We're gonna do something similar to it, but I'm going about the whole process in my own way. So I have a cup of jasmine rice that's already rinsed. Carolina jasmine if you're interested. Red onion, limes, and I have some mixed peppers, fresh black pepper, and I got some paprika floating around somewhere, and some Cajun spice. And we're gonna do a process where we're gonna figure out a new way of doing a particular rice. But I guess Spanish rice, or how the Puerto Ricans make it, is the inspiration for it. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna start the process. Got some oil, preheated my specific rice pot. We got the red onions. Throw in the rice. Rinsed. Remember, I rinsed it about 3 minutes under cold running water. And you rinse the rice to get some of the starch out, and it makes it a little fluffier from my experience with it. So that's just me and what I do and what I'm going about. I only have a cup. I'm doing a cup. That's it. Nothing crazy. So we're just sweating it. Real quick. That's all we're doing. We're just sweating it. And while I'm doing this, right? Fresh black pepper, about 6-7 turns. I'm going to add smoked paprika, which I told you I was going to do. A few dashes. And because I'm about that spicy life, also gonna add some cayenne pepper, brown cayenne. Like I said, we're doing something different. So all we want to do now is just saute this up and sweat it a little. Right? I'm doing this because I want the color. As you can see, I need that color. Right? That's all. And we're just releasing all the aromatics. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're getting it nice and sexy. Gotta get it sexy. Okay, so you see it's got that nice color. So now we're gonna add, it's a cup of water, so I'm gonna be very exact with the measurements. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of water. One. 2. Okay? Now, we're gonna bring this to a boil. Stir in the rice a little bit. Alright, see that nice color? That color is gonna be the rice. So that's what we want, that's what we're hoping for, and that's it. Okay, so that's good. We're looking good. This is still coming into play, but not yet, because of course this will just get mushy and ugly. So why, we're not doing that right now. So we're gonna get this to a boil, turn it down to the simmer, let it go for about 20 to 25 minutes. Shouldn't be that long because it's only a cup of the rice, jasmine rice. And then let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, so about half of the red onion diced, that's what was sweated first, and then the rice, and then the oil, cayenne, ground pepper, and the smoked paprika. If you can get the smoked paprika, because it's a better flavor. It's a deeper flavor, actually. If you have the regular paprika, it's cool, but the smoked is a better flavor, just in my opinion. So it's almost there. Just want it to boil a little more. As you can see, it's almost there. And once it's all around, which is about to be, we are gonna turn it down and put it for the simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. So, wait. Let me put it down, and boom. Do not touch this for 20 minutes, and we'll see how it is in 20. All right, so 25 minutes later, check it out. This is what we got. Boom. Let me show y'all. See that? That's what you want. Now, all I'm gonna do, fluff it up a little bit, just like that. And there's some final things that we're gonna do that I'm gonna show you. So check it out. Put this there, put this here, and we're gonna do that like so. So I got some oil, this is preheated. I'm gonna put the onions and peppers in there. This with salt and pepper. And I'm going to put a little chopped garlic. So real quick, saute. Just till soft and translucent, nothing big. Because I still want it to keep the shape, the form, and the color. Right? Remember, it's only a cup of rice. Okay. There we go. So that's good. That's done. Now, let's bring back the rice. Switch over. Right? Turn that off. So we're going to put this in now, right? Just like that. Okay. Now remember I showed you guys the lime? Let me squeeze that in just like that. Fresh lime. Now, this is my way of doing a Spanish rice, but I'm half Spanish and I'm half Jamaican, so we're just gonna call this dirty rice. It's dirty. Alright. So now all we're gonna do, fold that in, and that's it. We're gonna have our rice just like that. Fold it in, fold it in, fold it in. Boom. There we go. See, it's nice and fluffy. Just added some flavor to it. It looks nice. Boom. So I'm actually gonna do that taste testing. Oh yeah, that's nice, that's different. I just want a little more pepper. Oh, that cayenne comes in at the end. Nice, very, very nice. All right, so let me get a spoon. Show you what it looks like. So I got these little boats at the new spot I'm at, so I'm gonna show you real quick, just dab it on there. Get some green. Just dab it on there. And of course, we're gonna put a little scallion on there. That's it. Wait, can't see the pepper. Gotta see the pepper. Boom. And there you go. Spanish rice, JV style, Mr. Spice style. I would have the girls taste it right now, but they're a little busy serving customers, so can't rock like that. I don't want to be that bold. Anyway, just something I was thinking about, and I wanted to do my own twist on it. So we're gonna call this. This is like a Spanish rice, but it's my way. So we're gonna call this the Mr. Spice Way rice, or Mr. Spice's rice, and that's how we're rocking. Anyway, love you guys. Appreciate the support. And I'm gonna try to bring some more authentic, original ideas, you know, from myself onto the channel. I'll see you guys later, and I'm going back to work. Peace.